Let's go, Sibling Rivalry.
One more time.
What are we gonna say, bro? Let's plan something.
For what? We've been working just Hello.
What's up, everybody?
And welcome back to the Sibling Thrivalry Show with me, Talita.
Azuko sisaloyiso tamzupela tamsubiri tamswaiko idiana on the run and dikhona ke mna ke in full force. Asimazi ubuThalita yena ba. Stop funny no. Yo. Mani ngathi izithaphi.
That. The problem is what? Ziyatsha. Oh, ndiyatsha namhlanje guys.
Ne?
Yeah, I think this is my first day of menopause or what?
Man sinezela stress.
Why uzaba ne-stress?
Kwaye kuthiwa imandanga lokho lawe funi.
Izothina uba mandi chomi being a woman kwamnandi ngolesingaphi.
Okay.
Facts.
Guys, another special episode coming straight to you. As usual, you know what the story is. CPZ Ngendo A1 SCTE.
Sibling circle. Someone asked yesterday about, oh guys, the sibling circle is in that in next week. Don't worry. We've got two sisters here today. We haven't had two sisters before, no?
I don't think so.
No, we haven't. We have two sisters here today, all the way from the Eastern Cape.
Yes.
Bakwele bus overnight. The train we got. The train.
Let down.
Ladies, please introduce yourselves.
Okay, hello everyone. Igama lam nguSimpiwe, wakwamili, but I prefer to be called Simi.
Okay.
And ekhaya ke kodwa singaphumi singasixelanga uba singamachonyane ke thina.
All right.
Sawo chungu ngqebo mbanjani.
Nice.
Ndinguluthando mna wakwamili and I'm the last born. So I'm directly after Usimi.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
For sure. Thank you guys so much for coming today. Andiyazi babe sizobapi babe ninge.
Sabe silapho mfana. Stokuselana.
Bukela anyway. Don't worry.
So you guys are sisters, right?
Yes.
And then you are older than
Yes.
Usimi is older than
Uluthando.
Uluthando. Okay, fine. What's the gap?
2 years.
Sometimes 3.
Yeah. 2 years. Cha ke ilishe nalo abantu bacinga nguye omdala. Like impilo ibuzwa kuye. Ndalelo lisha and ngaske yazeke ba.
You're putting it out there.
Alisha, wena ufuna ukuphendula impilo.
I can't wait to kuthiwe sisimi kum. Like ifika nini chance yami.
Don't.
Uyakwazi novula kwakho kodwa sicela usibize labantu abadala.
There's nothing to rush for, bro. I promise you. No, dude, there's nothing to rush for.
So animandi ke lanto as the last born ke ubakho.
Ngumdala.
Ngomdala like for some odd reason. Ne?
Imandi.
Banamachamba nyani.
Imandi.
Because unenjebe.
Also it helps sometimes because she's the nicer sibling. So if umntu uzomosha, aqale kum, then ukumosha kwakhe is finished.
But I know you're nice, baby girl.
I don't know. I think
Strong.
abantu abafani.
Samoyika bedli.
Asifani shem at all.
Do you know about your yikwa?
Yeah.
Do you use that at all?
No, I
Okay,
don't.
okay.
I don't. I don't see a need to.
Do you like it though?
Of course. I do like it because and you get involved in yonke. Yeah.
Okay.
I don't get involved in everything, but I mean, I don't have to use it at all.
100%.
Yeah.
I like
don't need-
that. So you guys grew up together in the same house, doing the same things, going to the same schools.
No, actually.
Oh, really?
No, we didn't go to the same school. So Mnanda Nfunda Bishop Primary,
Okay.
very close to our house. She went to KHS.
Why
her
was
life.
that?
No.
I'm quite sure. But
At some point, I think I was in grade 5 or grade 7. No, I was in grade 7. Yeah, and then like kodwa sikwena khona manje sister yakho encinci ne if uNtswembu wena mhlawumbe nayo uNtswembu khawuze naye and then wangena njalo ke kuna KHS in grade 5 ne
In grade 5 June.
yeah
Mama Ntswembu. You what a tough thing. Awumzani imxelele bafana ufuna Ntswembu bafana.
Yeah, so saqala separate but then saphelela ke kusise KHS.
Yeah, so babini.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Then we went to the same varsity.
Oh, okay.
AUCT Soweto. And then pretty much just did everything Soweto.
Together.
Yeah, since then. Yeah.
So, since you guys were little, Nanvan,
Absolutely not.
I've heard this about sisters. Sisters have a bad reputation.
Nice. So
including to her friends and family.
She's consistent.
Yes.
Thank you.
So I think I'm the Miss Goody Two Shoes, like Tandy order and tandi izinto zigcwale man. Oh, so seriously, where's that lady for which is one of the things I love about her.
Okay.
So sasingavani because it's like I was saying, I'm going to tell you, you get into trouble. But then like, oh no. Yes, it's try. Yeah. And then I think when she was in grade 10, and I was in grade 12. Yeah, grade 12 was very hard for me. So like we just decided, must be me.
That's fun.
Yeah, must be Savannah. Then from then on, then we became close.
Wait, this was not a conversation. It just happened, right?
No, it wasn't a conversation. It just happened.
It just no. Like Savile and Jay, Saba right.
What were the things you were fighting about before that?
One copizinho.
Okay. It's a story.
Like that happened. You know?
This is so akayiyo identist. Awu dentist. Axabanisa ke ngoku.
One copizinho.
Miss Nice Lady, Cooper Mama.
It's annoying, ne? And I think when like on a little sister, like, and there's no dolu wakho omncinci. So when is that about if you put the tooth around and then emnyango there's a lie.
She slammed it shut.
Oh, so why is this a
But like nothing wrong happened.
No,
nothing wrong happened.
What are you complaining about?
I don't think that's how God wanted it to happen.
No, I don't think that God had a plan for Kumka. I think it's one of those things. He was just like, and then were you mad?
I was.
Of course.
I was mad.
Luis
because I didn't want Nyolam to go like this. Also for a while I couldn't find it. Because I wanted to find my shoes. Yeah, I wanted to do that and I couldn't because I couldn't find it for a while. Then eventually I found it. But we used to fight over petty things. Like really small petty things like yeah.
Flonda apha phambi kwakhe just like
andizothatha ifavorite akazothatha lewa ayaziyo ba ushayi ngayo
thatha la ithandayo
yes because akayibanga usazoyithina ungayiflonti engayibanga
ayicike apha phambi kwakho.
How about and ask?
No.
That's hilarious.
And then what have those fights grown into ke ngoku apha ebudaleni nanendihalela uyazi ke mna
because akho mntu uvana kokoko
ewe
uba umuntu uthi uvana kokoko yaphosisa
bani igama lale fight
fight. I think like if fight is about like serious is like sometimes I feel like my sister is really great and kuba no umntu ongaziboniyo ba great and it's just like if ungalungisa apha nalapha wena like ungabanga umntu that's really amazing. And one of the things I think was divisive was like usebenzisa alcohol. I felt like it altered her personality so much and I didn't like the person that she was. So most of the time it would be that intobana lento ayikulungeli wena ibingaske uyiyeke betere yabona and andizosoloko ndikhona ke ngokubana mhlawumbe uzawuba kwezinye indawo ndingekho ndinqanda uyabona ne enyani uba ngomnye umntu so since one mame like yes
Years later.
it took some work because no mama man babe disgruntled because izinto zobuya late ngoku kufuneka yabona abantu abadala so yeah now she's perfect like ingawo so I think that would be one thing esixabanisa kakhulu and seriously because not as if I ngazo zincinci yeah xa ndicinga no if you have had
zinkani
Yeah.
But sometimes it's detrimental inkani zakhe because umntu
allegedly man
and uzifuze kutata so kuye they are 100% worse like far worse such a small thing akhe yasixabanisa but it's actually a big thing kutshintsha imoto umzekelo
Okay.
she didn't want to change her car because for her it worked right
Not so. Ndiyafika khona
exactly
but
anyway.
even nasekusebenzeni kwemoto like sivuke one morning le moto ifuna ujump start
Yeah, sure.
umzekelo iradio yayo ayisebenzi yabo
Ngeke nicule.
ekhona uyathula
Fulani festival.
so there's one problem
Not to anyone.
That's so wild.
ezinkani zenza so much so that she doesn't see when she's clinging on to something it doesn't serve her anymore because for her it just makes sense
Sure.
and also
And diqhelile like it's my
Diqhelile, you know what I
thing.
mean?
This
Like,
is
yeah, it makes
I've
sense.
got my workaround.
yeah ndase ndise kwaye kaloku ifaka radio entsha
Sure.
but any inconvenience to even get there to get a new radio just to let go of things that no longer serve you even people just let go of people that no longer serve you because uzakwenzela ntoni lo mntu but ezankani zithi ndiyayithanda imoto yam. It was my first car when I did articles. Love it so much. Similar with people love them so much. Nyeke.
That's a tough one.
That is a tough one.
And ezingani go from something small to something
Yes.
really big. But the thing is,
Principal, yes, principally.
You know what I mean?
Into
Into
high
one.
application and it doesn't
It
matter.
has.
And sometimes
Yeah.
you're like, as looking from the outside, you're just like, "Ay man." But then you're like, oh no, but also, I mean, if it's just the same thing. That's
yes.
and to the other person, like ayiboni inomehluko loo nto
Exactly.
leyo.
Oh, do you
Exactly.
have dollar sight? Not foresight. Yeah, yes. okay.
Hindsight.
Do you have hindsight about these things?
I do. I will say like lendo yobubu nice ne like ubus strong obake has really protected me. So when ndimdala but my sisters had to like fend for me because I don't know, you know, like wonke umuntu man you just believe in the goodness of people and ungazibona usengxakini apha
Yeah,
like
sure.
abantu ayabona ne so we hindsight ndiye ndizibhaqe undincedile shame like wandikhupha kuloo nto leyo
Kicking and screaming.
because soze
This is the unfortunate part. Ewe, ay, akuthiwa. Kaloku Somi. Chongo uyazazi mos ne masithi uzawulwa kuqala and then ke ngoku eventually uqome undincedile kanjani cha
do you ever say ba?
asifuneka ngibanike into eninzi aba bantu younger siblings kaloku subanika a lot because if they take it and they nanceda wena
literally.
namoto entsha ngoku
Efanelayo imoto entsha.
so yeah sometimes I do to be honest like if it's a very serious thing but yeah inkosi ngonibonisa lanto because or just for pointing out certain things about uzibani or yabona ne we like have very open conversations even like xa sixabene okanye kufuneka kuthethe it's open like this but wena uzokwenzakala apha this and this and this and this and I think there's a different way man where you relate to umntu where you know ba lo mntu ngumntu wam forever ndiyabona ne
Sure.
and I know there's no malice like kwinto abayithethayo I can take what they say because it's for my best interest yabona even naxa nixabana anixabani ngehlobo lento ba I'll never speak to you again it's like we sixabana to fix the thing and attack the thing and not each other and then sigqithe kuyo so yeah I think ubulela is important also, but so hindsight definitely ewe.
Okay.
Oh, that's such a beautiful thing, man. I'm just listening to it and I'm just like, yo, Mani Mandi, it feels, or it sounds like it's so safe. It sounds like it's so comfortable.
Yeah.
And even though sometimes Ulomdulo is looking out for you. Awuyiboni, nixabani, nixanyiswa ubungayiboni. But it feels so nice, like what you said. It feels so nice to know about Lumdulo is just here forever.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah, and sizawugqitha kule nto sibe right. Yeah.
Siphinde sijonge alandelayo.
Yeah.
Because izawuba khona.
Kaloku asizungabikho.
Niba ngapho kwenu?
By 4.
By 4 girls.
So now how do the other girls feel that you guys are like closer to each other? I would imagine you are. Not unless.
No. Okay. So i-dynamic yethu ne is that usisi wethu omdala ne firstborn umntana katata ne, and then secondborn usisi Al umntana ka mama.
Okay.
Yabona ne, and they are significantly older than us. Like usisi Linda is 10 years older than me, and then Usis B is 14 years older than me, meaning like it's 12, 16 koi. So weke asinayo lanto ye half getting ekhaya because suffer in one house and these are your siblings and
so you guys all grew up in the same house?
Yes, but at different stages because abanye baye varsity, so like kuba ke noluthando sakhula. Yes. Literally soy2 oko and no mama esinxibisa impahla
ezifanayo ikodro
ma poppy socks
neza jazz nalanda yeplanga
yeah, I think nanzo enye into esenza basibe close because sikhuliswe like twins basically. Yeah, so
and it was just cheaper that way and less fights because lo nxibe into yomnye xa kuyoshopisha lo ufuna le so masengithine emnyama sibe yi2 and then ayixoxisa ke umuntu uzabe ezibhuqa.
It just means at some point mna ndinejini eziyi2 ezimnyama uzawukhula nje
That's cute as hell.
Oh, Edibora, shame.
So, with your older siblings, Nyavana Nani?
Yes, yeah.
We get along.
So they each have 3 kids, our nibblings, and they just like the best thing to ever happen to us.
Nabantwana
bayi-6. Ba great shame. So we have like a little WhatsApp group, Makazi's Corner, and everyone and anyone who finish bafuna uthetha at any point. Yeah.
TikTok challenge.
Yeah.
TikTok challenge.
Okay. Yeah, because now they're both like single moms, so like we're all raising the kids together basically. So it's a very nice, cute dynamic, but it's just that as bonani because bona base Eastern Cape.
Okay.
And we here.
Yeah.
What do you think caused that nivani nonge? Like, is it your parents? Is it how they manage the situation? Is it imfundisi zabo? Or is it you guys that have made okay, you know what, what do you think that is?
I think our parents for sure. They never yabona lanto yomntana bengakuwenza umntana osecaleni azange yakhona lanto nje. We were all children babo and also the conversation was easy because it's an honest conversation. Ntoba ngusisi wakho lona but ngumntanami, ngusisi wakho lona but ngumntana kamama, but nina nonke ningabantwana bethu. Nongakhethi mntana. I think the discipline that abazali bethu gave us was the same. Akho mntana uziva engathi ubani
ayikho favorite.
Oh,
ayikho.
it's the one who's the favorite who never sees Makuko
Oh, she definitely is the favorite. And she looks exactly like Dad.
Oh, really?
Like spitting image. The favorite.
Your dad is gorgeous, isn't he?
He kind of is.
Cute, by the way.
Walizikhathe kodwa.
Sange ba-Asia.
Usanayo bayisister but hey. Umntu wakhe.
Isn't it cool how we can just talk to our parents anyhow the older we get?
It's so nice uba zitshomi zabo. Zitshomi zabo is so nice. Yeah.
I think it helps a relationship too xa nizitshomi nomzali. Kungabikho laa nto uba
No, most definitely.
ungumzali because yenza i-distance at some point.
Of course, but yes, they have to play that role.
Yes.
Yoba disciplinarian.
Yes.
Umuntu
True.
ozokulanduka.
True, yeah, true.
But at some point, I think xa bekubona ba no man uzifundile zonke izinto besimfundisa lo.
Yes.
And this is the person they're becoming. And so we can't really do much more. So they kind of bayayekelela kanje.
Ewe, because okay, abazali
Bayadinwa.
Ringa for 34 years. Oh no.
That's another thing that we don't count. Udiniwe lo stress and into yoba ngumzali stress.
Sistress into babumzali. Ndike ndimbukela xelele ndiqonda uba usisudiniwe.
Eludinwe kakhulu. Udinwe iminyaka.
Noba kunothiwa makenze ntoni ngoku no.
Yeah, so like abazali bethu ne like babengamapolisa.
Like literally.
Top cops. Yeah. So
Mkhwanazi vibes. Yeah, top cops.
so like whatever strict kakhulu.
Of course,
Yeah.
not only police for nini. Like kube strictly community.
Yeah.
Awunokwazi ke xa ufika endlini
Yes,
uyenzelele.
Very strict, yeah.
So like I'm grateful for it though, like hindsight again.
Yeah, for sure.
Basincedile kwiinto ezininzi, but it's been really nice to see them loosen up. Ngoku sikhulayo. And I think another like big part of it. So our dad had a stroke in 2014. Yeah, so that was really bad for the family, and it still is a difficult time. But that experience, like I felt like utata like wabangomnye umntu, like wathamba. Uyabona ne? Because nalando ba gogo like ungumuntu ozawuthi I love you Mam Chayana at the end of a phone call, because when the police said like I
love you.
Yeah, so it is very nice to see like that side of them. I think baye kuba i-role man babe ngabantu like their true selves. It's very refreshing.
Yeah.
And it's cool to see your parents as people and
Yes.
not as
Very cool.
parents.
Yes.
It's very cool.
Yeah, because you kind of get to know about the little quirks and stuff.
Yeah.
Little plus of vele niphakamisa ifoni manje. Hello, it's the baby girl. Hi man. Because it's her.
That's so cute.
It is absolutely adorable.
Yeah.
I'm always just like, yeah, so laugh for you. How are you the favorites? I'm very interested in that part. When Zindo's the right, you do the right thing.
Yeah,
all
I
the
think
time.
I was just an easy child compared to everyone else, to be honest.
And this is the whole thing. That
Yeah,
no one
like,
gets.
yeah.
Like my man, a dog. Like
Yeah,
it's not that
God.
difficult, bro.
Just yenza lento ixelwayo.
Buya ngo-6
Yeah.
dog.
Yeah, aphendlini kukho abantwana abaxabana abazali nge-veg. Like kuthiwa ityi-veg. Like yintoni?
Bimbilili veg
Lapho le-veg.
Libale utye ice cream after 5 minutes.
Yintoni? Yeah, I think that's how. And I believe Bandy favorite, but if I were to be, it would probably be why.
because of Bambu Mthetho.
Ewe.
It's so funny though that you're older than her, yet she says you're the favorite. I'm older than him,
Yeah.
yet he's definitely the favorite.
Yeah.
For sure.
And it doesn't matter about where you are born, in what sequence you're born.
Yeah.
It's just because you're easy.
Yeah.
It's a behavior. So what? Well, hold on. Are we saying it's a behavioral thing? You know,
You're my favorite.
I think so.
Eh? So then it's a personality thing.
Yes. It is a personality thing. I really think so.
So it's not a last born. How last born? No.
Seemingly not, because I feel like we always think my last born is the favorites. Because they have it easy, because if my parents were like, we don't want to ask so they were like very like on you, right? But because my personality is not the kind of personality that enjoys being on, so I didn't turn out to be, you know, that person. So it is personality, and it sometimes has to do about in which order.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So Lilong is, we can't blame the favorites. That's what I'm trying to get at. Because very often iba khona la sibling hate, but it's just it's who I am.
You didn't choose, like, life chose.
God, life chose me.
And it's got its consequences.
Yes,
You understand? Namde khalela bantu beniyama namakhwengo ebusuku. Whatsoever. But it
Galabanding. With the boys. Yes, your friends.
Which is signs one.
So I'm just trying to get to a point where I'm just like, it's a personality thing, and it's just who I am.
When is your birthday?
8th of Jan.
Does that make you a what? A Capricorn?
Capricorn na low party.
Right,
And textbook Capricorn.
And when?
Libra, 20 October.
Yeah. Balancing things out.
And I do. I do balance the scales a lot.
So in personality, yes.
Okay.
I can agree.
That's fair. No. I'm just like, you know what, guys, we could solve so many sibling rivalries.
True.
Because a lot of the things is Xabanisayo as siblings are as a result of us not understanding them.
Yeah.
So I make the silly example of Baum News. Just like, no, this is who I am.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Asuba detain kwathini indingo lo mntu. And obvious asikwazi umblame umzali uzawufeel about we favorite if awumsokolisi.
Yeah.
It is what it is.
So okay, it's just a point, but Xolani, it's simple, this thing. You just do what you need to do. End of story. Yeah.
As non-favorites.
Hey, when you have a show, Mr. Mabi. Who's the favorite?
You know what? You're right. I'll give that one to you.
He is right.
Yeah.
But coming up as a young grasshopper, you don't understand that.
For sure.
Yes.
Absolutely. And abanye by understand londo leyo. Tote budaleni.
Yes.
And umntu sabambe laa nto babesebancinci. Yeah. It's sad when that happens.
Yeah.
It's very sad.
It's very
when that
sad,
happens.
especially Budaleni.
Yeah, dude, because you're just like, bro, you know more. Do better.
Yes.
Correct. Bandi, akati no more.
To know less.
I said, umtapkela for no more. So yeah, by a bit of a challenge. That's actually quite it's the first time they realize I'm in my age, Londo Labor, what causes it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So I'm very curious about how in a house full of girls, how your parents put pressure on you guys or not.
I think actually we don't have that pressure. Oh, really? At all. I think now that we're cooler, banayo fever yabazukulwana aba extra because the house is empty.
Okay.
Ne? But we've never had the pressure over intondi yachata. Inkomo zamazibuye. Never.
Oh, that's nice.
In fact, like
it's the opposite.
I've never seen my dad like so cool, man. When I like cool. But when my older sister was getting married, so she's divorced now. I think it was back in like 2004 or something. Like wayengekho right.
Like physical.
Like physical. Like when put on a like alcohol, right? And he's always just said, abanayo pressure yoba must chat because eyona nto abayifunayo is that we just be happy. Yabona ne? and they can't force us into a thing where they can't guarantee into bana sizabahappy. If it's in your heart ba mawuchade, by all means, but abanayo lo pressure leyo shame.
That's amazing.
Yeah, even abantwana nakakade, it's just this emptiness thing now that they're
For sure.
feeling.
But they know also, but we can't say anything about the emptiness because kuyafuneka ibe ngomnye umuntu oyisolvayo.
Exactly.
Yeah, so you
Exactly.
can't exactly put pressure on them.
Yeah.
So ke ngokuseba babathini abazali bathini abantwana bona.
Athina sis.
Igirls zithini zona.
I'm not ashamed to be honest. Like when it comes to kids and marriage, it depends on the day, ne? Yeah, it really depends on the day. But like I think growing up and how I pictured my life, I never really pictured like abandwana nomini. To be very honest,
Really?
No.
For a person who grew up in that kind of situation.
Yeah, it's never been like into that I've aspired to.
Okay.
Ne? And I think if I'm very honest, it's only when kwafika my nephews and my niece, I was just like, "Eh, cool.
Nakhona le.
Nakhona late because okay, kuthiwa nabele, but I just feel like Michaelo. But anyway, so like now when they hear and there's these little people and then they just different ways that they change your life, I was like, this doesn't seem so
That
bad
bad.
anymore.
Okay.
And what I'll admit to, I think njengoba ndikhula, ne, I see the value of having omnye umntu like next to you, like companionship, and even just ukuncitha because it means into esiyicingayo on a day, and especially like as a single woman living in Joburg. Yonke into ijonge wena yabona ne, and I think ngondikhula and man lena ingxaki ngasibe yomnye umuntu yeah
Ne-weekend ijonge wena.
Noba clean kwale ndlu kuxhomekeke kum nomphandi
izikhe le light bulb icime
kuxhomekeke kum.
yabona ngonani sokuyisa imoto lo mjam start ndafela
Kuxhomekeke kum. Khangela i-jump start i-cables complexity.
Yeah, but that's not a good enough reason to be with someone forever.
No. It's not.
ibangandikhuphela umgqomo.
Oh,
Well, what task?
She hates it so much.
Oh, really?
It actually makes her sick. Like physically sick.
don't mind.
I don't mind.
Uzothatha i-intel ke chance. You right here these legs ezimali zabo ngabayeki. Afa uyinto yokhupha umgqomo. Yebo. Imoto ngabayeki. Phezu kwabo.
And what's your thought on...
I've always wanted kids.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Always. Twins to be exact.
Okay. So call your twins going?
Yes, Tata is in between a set of twins.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So we have the genes for twins. Fathers.
Oh.
I've always wanted kids, but marriage, I'm neither here nor there.
Oh, really?
I'm happy if it happens, but if it doesn't happen,
Okay.
it's a grand. Yeah. I think also Lanto comes from Tina's tanduwe kakhulu ngabazali bethu. Like very, very well. So much so that uthando lomnye umuntu luyongeza. Aluyonto ithi must abe khona omnye umuntu.
Yeah.
And xa ulufumana lusongeza, it's greater, but even noba lukho, I'm still good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Unshorty. But bukhona umntu onondenzela andifuna ukuthi ubomi bube lula because bakhona abantwana basekhaya, but if ukhona umuntu endinokuphila naye ncedisana naye sihleke every now and then then good. But Sincuma naye.
My favorite is Sinanda Mati.
It's so literal. It's literal.
I know.
How is that your favorite?
Sinanda Mati.
Imani kwaba literal man.
Literal.
Yeah, very much. So.
Sisenqanda mathe sam.
Sinamathi abafuna unqandwa. Tenyavuza. What's happening? Actually,
Siqika kakhulu. Yeah, but that's always been my thing, and also I really love kids. With my nieces and nephews as well, I'm very, very close to them. You know, ukabe discipline, especially with school. But I've always loved kids. Always.
Yeah, same. Kids are awesome.
They are awesome.
Just sucks before ufike nomnye umuntu.
Kutheni ndingakuzukwazi uba nabo mna
For me,
by myself
alone.
ewe
So nabo
ngesenje nabo had to cut clear cut hayi ngesenje nabo if I could
wena senzo ngowuphi wena kuyo yonke loo nto leyo if ubukwazi uba nomntu.
I think I would have probably had them by now. Yeah. It's the other person that's the problem, bro.
it's the other person that's the problem
Ne? Andifuna uzithoba ucarende
kuthini uzithoba
ikhe ndiyeke iigo zenu.
kuthini asiwa sawukoperenda
Sisithobe sisiphi?
siyaphi
Hi. Oh no.
no sizithoba yena emhlabeni not with udada womdala
That's not the problem at all, actually.
Kaloku umntu iproblem kaloku zathi ifuneke ze ngomnye umntu. That's what you're saying.
Yes, and the thing is, because you can't guarantee ba omnye umuntu
Uzawuba njani.
exactly
you kind of go, I don't know. Because andazi ba in 5 years
uzaba njani
because we're constantly evolving as human beings. And ikwazi ba next week uzaba njani.
Exactly.
And yazi ba umsindo wakho in 10 years uzaba njani. So there's no guarantee there. So it's like weird.
Okay.
i-lifetime commitment
scary.
lena also
Yeah.
asikhulisi bantwana we're raising adults uzawuba njani kule lifetime commitment yokukhulisa abantu abadala it's a lot I agree with you xa ndiyicinga it's a lot
Yeah, it is a lot.
It is a lot.
And the thing is now, unfortunately, for men specifically, la way.
Ngoba ngamadoda.
I don't want to hurt anyone's feelings. But because of where women are now and how evolved
Okay.
women are now, we have these choices to make, more choices to make than we used to. And so I think that also informs then how we choose men. Because
yes
we're not necessarily choosing them for security.
Yes.
survival
Yes.
Survival.
Yes.
Goku, we're choosing you because umdo right?
Yes.
Wena,
Yes.
personally, as a person,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Yeah. Because I need malako.
exactly
I need transport yako. There's so many things that I don't need. Ndijonge ngapha ya. Ndijonge
Yes.
intoni ngapha kwibhaki.
Exactly.
Yeah, now you have to have a personality.
Yeah.
Iba ngumuntu oright. And it just feels like into enzima leyo yocela nowadays. Because
Yeah.
Yeah. And andiyazi ba kutheni. But it's very hard.
Yeah, look, I think partly because that's the most difficult part of being a human being. Getting the money, getting the don. It's easier than working on yourself.
Oh.
You're right. Oh. But
I think it's much easier than working on yourself. Working on yourself is probably up there with the most difficult things to
you
do.
could ever
That's
do
true.
yeah
Absolutely. And especially if ukhule ngokwenu into and it's something that you've formed an identity on.
Yeah.
Uthi nasebantwini. Kaloku ngandenza umsindo membuza kuye.
andazi ba njani.
You understand?
Umdala.
And nabantu abasithi mamcapukisi kubani. Yeah, but that's also like a point of ngqelwa, you know what I mean? So also that might be another thing to put into the mix. Uba character is an entirely different thing. That is also difficult. And the world, character phone. I like what character for Instagram. Like why you bad boy.
Take a bad boy whoa
And that's the thing. Like, you grew up as I'm not saying you, but like as a dude, let's say you grew up with utata. Ongathethiyo. And our emotions or respect by and they don't have to do anything for it. Or, well, maybe, yes, they have to provide for it. But umuntu uyakwazi uhlala athule. Angathethi namntu.
true
And that's what you know.
Yes.
So ngoku xa kufika baby girl isithi hayi bo babe sithathe
Masingako.
Awuthule.
you're like, what is that? I don't have an example of what that is. I don't think I've seen abazali bami behleli e-lounge
Bethetha nge-feelings.
feelings.
How do you feel? Nah, bro.
Right? So, because you emulate what you know most of the time without even having to think about it, it becomes then difficult when the other side of the line is now expecting different things from you than the things ubona expect.
Yeah.
So uzoqala ngaphi?
And I think with these conversations, like sometimes I'm like, I don't want us to eliminate the element of choice, or undermine the autonomy that you have as
Over yourself.
Yeah, bona over yourself. I don't want people to because I just feel like at a certain age, you do have a choice about the kind of person that you have. We all have a past and things that have informed our past and our belief system and whatever. But ubona ba awusakhuli apha nezumzekelo, you do have a choice, but it goes back to lento uTamzubela ithetha into bana that's the most difficult thing to confront, into bana ewe zange ndilubone uthando but I can see and I want it, so how about ndizitry, heal that wound, ndizame uphila nabantu, yabona. Yeah, so
I think there's also a crisis, like, I'm not going to crisis, but there's also a crisis of masculinity lately. Yeah. Especially kwintanga zethu. They've just arrived. You know, umntu can buy le moto kudala wayibona iqhutywa kokwayemncinci. Yet at the same time, in this day and age, they still want a woman who's going to work and come home amoye. At this day and age. And they still have the liberty to go out to wherever they go out to a club umzekelo and still want to buy stuff for people, yet you still want to say ndifuna unkosikazi njena nanjena nanjena, ne? And very little about that masculinity I've found is anything that they describe about themselves. It's always things that they can get. I can buy you. I can. You must cook for me. You must make sure that my things are ready for me. But awukhumva umuntu esithi mna uhlobo endinokuthanda ngalo lunjena okanye mna into endiyithandayo ngomntu injena. Awuyazi noyazi lonto, and so you can't really lanto bithetha umntwadade umama uyandazi pha ekhaya ukhula kuyo group work. Awuzukhuliswa ngumama akho, and they're not going to do that healing for you. It's up to you. It's your choice. And at some point awuzuthandeka. And it's something I've said to my agents a lot, that awuthandeki because akhonto nguwe, like the substance of who you are. Uzizinto asiyazi lento masithande awuthandeka ndalanto mandithanda singahleka but ndithanda ntoni.
So deep.
It is
simple at the same time.
It is.
You do have to have substance ungumntu at some point, and awuzuncediswa. Yes, she's my sister, but there's things that she can't help me with.
Correct.
Completely in life.
Yes.
Same with ufumani partner. Sizaba zipartner but andizukuwelisa ezintweni bafuneka uyazi ba umuntu ufuneka athandeke kuyaphiliswana nomntu. No. Not in 2026.
Let joy man now. Inkulu lento sanoyithetha but it's so simple. But yours is gaga.
Yeah, I think you've explained it so well. And I've never heard it like that.
Bangathi break up one mom.
Substance.
Andike Dani. Andike Lily.
Wena ubuza ba.
Kodwa wena nami ngolo hlobo.
Ubuza ba. Ucimba wena, what have you added? What have you added? Taking me out for dinner.
That's wild,
come
bro.
on.
That's wild.
Also, a person can do that for themselves. I could do that
For myself, yeah. When I didn't do that, zero.
Soke nincokola izinto xa ninoyithuka. Ngibona yoma. Nayo inayo boy. Nali galelo.
Ngafita.
Uwani light ebawo.
And it just seems that that amadoda find it difficult ukuhlala nomuntu olayitileyo.
Very.
That is get the problem.
Very
Because
difficult.
you find you so intimidating because
Because I have a brain.
Yes.
I can think for
Yeah.
myself.
So get back to siblinghood. I feel like I'm sitting in a session like girls. You know, like I literally feel like you sit her in, go.
And the girls ncokola izinto. Ncokola izinto.
But it was the real, not for real.
Actually, yeah, I feel like you see now, but yes, some of the things this is ncokola. Mina ni ncokola ntoni? Esidibene ne-girls.
You know,
No, we don't.
no, you're not gonna do this to me. That's not good. You don't just develop the girls.
Imali soyenza njani?
Bona yo, azobhawa kaloku ntwana. Relax.
Bow.
Ihliziyo sibe buhlungu xa eyekile uhamba ngesasikoro sakhe ethenge imoto entsha. Ihliziyo sikitshone. Azofowunelwa nene.
It's funny.
Yeah, that's hectic. That's really, really hectic.
The rules have changed.
They have.
And people are finding it difficult to
Yeah.
adjust.
Or there's an expectation for one group to adjust and not the other. Yeah. That
No,
I think is
kwaZulu.
the disconnect.
Kwazi uxananaza uphile kweza rules with their benefit. And then uphinde ube lapha.
Yeah. You have to pick a
Doesn't work,
side.
you have to pick a side. Yeah.
And it's a difficult thing to do
Yes.
because the previous rules, the rules that were used previously, Zona, they used to, they were good for you
Yes.
because you didn't have to do much.
Yes. Now there's
Yeah,
actual
there's a favor.
labor.
There's
yeah.
a favor.
Yeah.
Yes, that's what it is.
Yeah. Now there's labor that you need to put in because you can't just show up and benefit.
Yeah.
And kuxakelwa up ke kwela group. Yeah.
Hayi sonke mama.
colleagues.
Just now, I'm just at that thing, but sonke struggles across the board.
No, of course. We're not saying that you can't group always struggles. But it's just that one group has evolved quicker or quickly, and then the other group has gone. "Ibu."
Just ningasilibali man ni minority.
Yeah.
Nina as abantu no, I'm saying as women, amongst women ni minority.
In what way?
In the way that we think.
Yes.
Oh.
Okay.
I want to agree with you.
This is the names.
I also want to agree, but I also want to say, but the evolution is also it's moving the other way.
Yes.
We might be the minority right now,
Yeah.
but more people are joining the bandwagon.
No, that's fantastic. But since it was about minority.
Okwangoku.
Kwangoku.
Fair. Ngoku kahle. Yeah, andifuna uvuma, kavuma cha. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. You don't?
Siyo ngoku.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can agree with that.
Yeah.
Yes.
Fair.
But I see you're right. If you agree, you agree.
Yeah. Agree.
Ewe.
Kupe kuthetheni.
Ewe.
Aze ngabhoreka ngimncane.
No, but I got it wrong. What is the love? It's just how it is. It's just how life is. Uyabo. So okay, Londo leyo. Otherwise, I we say like
You've been trying. There's three of us. Way minority.
You're minority.
Minority. Next time have brothers. Get brothers next time.
We did have brothers.
So guys, I'm speaking. You believe as a brother. What? Oh, so bored. Oh, please help me now. Hello, Machida. Oh,
That's
that's all the minority.
Let's go to the board.
It says life is really one thing at a time.
Yes.
And where we got it from is a poem that we like, Sobabini.
Oh.
It's called If by Rudyard Kipling.
Yeah,
Kipling. it says, if you can meet triumph and disaster and treat those two imposters just the same, then my child, you'll be a man. So this is a
Yeah, so the context is
that
a dad like talking to unyana
Unyana
wakhe,
wakhe, yeah.
and just speak about the things that will make you a man.
Yeah.
Le character sithetha ngayo, not the materialistic thing.
Sure.
But there's that specific line that I think we love so much because I think, as I mentioned, utata wethu uyagula, ne? And we've had to hold grief and joy at the same time.
In the same way.
Yeah, and it's a very difficult dichotomy to navigate, Londo Leyo. So this thing on the board speaks to that. Indobana ewe phakathi kokudliwa kobomi kwasekufeni ne, but you just don't stop living just because kukho obo bunzima. Yeah, you can't, both things can exist at the same time, and you can carry them at the same time. So yeah.
it's important to feel both. Because xa uvuya kulula ibali uba hey kuyagoeka. But you can also go through it at the same time and feel the same things at the same time. Even in life, things happen at the same time. And lanto senza sigoye wasikufuna one thing must happen ngohlobo.
Yeah.
But it doesn't happen like that.
It really does.
It doesn't.
Yeah.
It doesn't.
Yeah.
Can that be equated to like and would another way of viewing it being a way of saying ba kuyo yonke into e negative ikhona incala.
Sure.
Yes.
Yin and yang.
Okay.
Yeah.
And to what you guys were saying also before, to say uba ekaniphinde nitsho enicheka manje
Hey, picture me.
yeah devastation there, you'll be a man.
If you can meet triumph and disaster and treat those two imposters just the same, then my child, you'll be a man.
Aha. Wow. It kills me the fact that you're saying they're both imposters, because you'd think that one is an imposter and one, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Which is why you'll I mean, you obviously act differently whether it's a triumph or disaster, right? But I think for me it's like nyani, when you are in triumph, it's not the end of the world.
And as much
It's not
as
the end of it's not the end of the world. No, I'm like you're not gonna be here forever. Just the same when you're in disaster.
Yes.
It's not. So if you can treat those,
Which is what makes those both things imposters.
Yeah.
ziyafika ziphinde zigqithe ebomini.
Yeah.
That's
And one doesn't take away from the other as well.
no.
Yeah, but ne,
It disaster doesn't take away from your triumph.
Yes.
Yes.
Your triumph doesn't take away from
Yes.
disaster.
You can laugh freely, no, but like kuyagoweka.
Yeah.
Yeah, because lixesha la lonto ngoku.
That's gorgeous.
Yeah.
Yo, my shit.
This could possibly be my favorite board.
Really?
Yeah. Only because I didn't have to choose it.
Yeah, but also
But also,
yeah. No,
because it's actually
absolutely.
super amazing.
Yeah.
What's the name of the poem?
If.
Okay.
So narita no itu. Yeah,
Yes.
keen readers.
Keen readers.
Ukhona yenza ipoetry kayinayifunda just.
Yes.
Nikataphi londo leyo, guys.
Like Iskolo said, we actually was very good with literature.
Yes.
Yes, like a lot of like indo yetu it comes from esikolweni uthanda ufunda and the kind of books and poems as well. And babeyicikile poem like back go through line by line bonene bawusisayikhumula nangoku years after. So I think school did that for us. Yeah.
Well, I mean, a school does put literature into your life, right?
Yes.
Sure.
But they can't. Or maybe they can cultivate the love for it. But also bakhona mina bayithandayo.
Yeah. You need
Like
the desire.
siyangaya thina siphume sihambe. Then kukho abantu ke ngoku abafundela ukwazi. You understand?
Also, I think umama unjalo. Umama uyathanda ufunda. Yeah.
Okay.
She likes imfundo in general.
For sure.
So iyahlala la nto bafuna ukuzikhiphe busy.
Yeah.
Ingqondo yakho ivule.
For sure.
Yeah.
Oh, lovely. Hi, guys. Yo, it's I don't know. It's for me. I guess you do see sisters as Vanai all the time.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
haven't spoken to them on the show.
Yeah.
And it's always interesting to kind of get to see the story about, oh, okay. Baba close was Baba go from the grade 12. But then you've kept that.
Yeah.
And also you guys are so similar, man.
Really?
Yeah, way.
Asibon London.
Yeah. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. I think you guys are very similar. And I suppose it's easy to also believe, but no, we're being as sisters. Which is also really, really cool. And I think more than anything else, a really special gift that you guys have. But I'm sure you already know that.
Yes.
So, and thank you so much for kind of sharing that gift with us.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
I think the first part where you guys were also just talking about I was like, we're gonna make it to the end of this episode. But I love that, guys. I love that. It's such a, for me, it's such a touching thing, and especially when it's followed up with like, because again, the husband on the corner forever.
Yeah. I think nani
you contributed a lot to
with how like because le nto besiyithetha ba ibhlungu into yobona i-siblings xa zingavani because it's one of like the most beautiful spaces and I think your guys' podcast has really like shown us ba kumandi nyani xa uvana nabantwana bakokwenu. And that's why I think even our friends are just like ningalunga kula podcast because
and they've said it for a while.
So ngabo aba nabo that pushed us bana yani phana I think ningavana nabo because what you guys have is very similar to what you guys have. So thank you as well for like facilitating the space for siblings bazize and to just showcase uthando lunjena. Yeah.
Because they put up their hands. They were like,
We got next.
we know we don't have a relationship from the internet, but in real life,
Fantastic, man.
which I thought was such a cool thing.
No, absolutely.
That's so
absolutely. Like there's a lot of things that have a bad reputation. And some of them about sibling relationships. So it's always good. I mean, it's an amazing thing when someone can be like, me. Let's participate in a space whereby we talk positively about certain things.
Sure.
Yes. Yeah.
I think that's
give
really,
it
really
good
great.
PR.
And then before we go, what's your favorite thing about her? And what's your favorite thing about her?
I think my favorite thing about her is that she's really smart.
What Kauleza told me. I'm so impressed by these two siblings, man.
She's really smart. But my most favorite thing about her is that she's hilarious.
Oh yeah.
She's so funny, but situationally funny.
Okay.
So akho nto inokwenzeka singayihleki
Okay.
because she's funny.
Yeah.
So we able to get through a lot of things because we can laugh.
Sure.
Sometimes ayihleki but
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
But they're imposters.
exactly, yeah. That's my most favorite thing about her. She's hilarious.
I think Uluthando, two things. Now, the first thing is she's never been afraid to carve her own path. Yabona. We might speak about Hlambi, like the defiance and the rebellion, but there's also just, I think, something I admire in that. Indobana, she's very resolute in into ifunai. So if ufuna into, she won't stop at anything at getting it. And even if akondlela, she'll make a way if uyayifuna. Just how she even got dreadlocks was explained by Kaya, it's very strict Kaya. But when it's about ufuna dress messages. So class your braid or what club would cause lock up on pants. So I managed my braids until Zabek and Dizindo and she's like, well, I'm here now.
Yeah, for sure.
I made a plan.
Yeah.
For sure.
And I think the second thing is she's very consistent. So ungambusa nango-2 ekuseni uzabe sethathela ndi-1 uzabe ngulwala uthando yi-1 like akachinji, doesn't buy face, and I really, really admire that about my sister. Yeah.
That's
Thank you.
What, you didn't know? Little bit.
A little bit. Yeah.
But when it's spoken on the internet,
It's different. It's different. You know,
and it's forever.
Yeah. I know change.
Exactly.
That's beautiful, man.
I don't want to stop.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys so much for coming.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Honestly,
guys.
I think every time we do this, I think we're surprised at how cool it actually turns out to be. So Nkosi for adding to that. Also, thanks for the gifts you brought us.
You're welcome. Don't you only share masimniki shout out.
Oh,
really?
Where together?
Yeah, we went to. She was in my grade, like we were in the same class. KHS.
Oh,
Yeah.
fair.
Yo, Ali! Her name is Backup.
For no positive.
But also, thank you.
Oh, sweet.
These
man.
are just fridge magnets, nothing
They're
hectic.
perfect.
So good. Thank you.
Thank you
Hope
so much.
nazo fridge.
Aye.
Icona.
Fridge icon.
Not.
This is so
Something
This
to
is so
aspire
cute. Thank
to.
you.
so much.
Thank
For
you.
sure. No,
All right, guys. Thank you so much for joining us, you two. But also, Nani Nyayasmas. Bukobenu Nyayasmas. Thank you guys so much for joining us. Let us know what you guys thought of this episode as well. We love seeing your comments, Nyayazi Londo. And any last words?
No. I think in Waike Onke Bafetu. Thank you guys. Then proceeds to have last words.
Yeah. As always.
Kanti me out here right. No Waike Onke man inhliziyo yami igcwele ngombulelo. No. Tata go wholesome and it's thanks guys. Thanks.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's a first.
Hey.
Thanks, guys. And don't forget to love yourselves. So that you can
Love each other.